Live on Facebook, live on YouTube, live on all the social media handles. And that was song anyone who saw Sabre with me. And that's some atnasi and some each go up for feeding 10 times so and I made a baby song. Now what you and some be and a PM1 opia 82 Nisrene Abasa. Now made many HM or Katachi a free for 1 year Ghana man Penny John Dramani Mahama Neba I friend Sharaf. The boxing bout of organizing where you book so they promote a boxing a once and seminar and I made a baby song. And Chebia and Sharaf, Ghanaian president, the Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Nepa apparently organize a boxing bookum. Na sa boxing bout your organizing a DNG eba a bookum because actually and I who say a boxing. BC will be organized be ama booking for the adjo money. Now after the boxing bout no and Okatachi FIFA the social media mega star sana my friend because social media the adapia bekubia there's a story about Okatachi FIFA oba bonten bebisa say apparently and hefa no nya say sikana or the baba organize sa a bout no na maybe a president former president Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo neba eso edisika kokko share ye catfish mu se wo ye fish ne adade wanjama eye aneba no ne ho anton okeka na adwen kire no enti se Mahama Soba organize boxing bout dia na so no so ba bonten na oba be chirichire eye ekwan ofa so enya sika no producer yenkotie Okatachi FIFA na numa asem ne bi
Ska organize a boxing match ma Anthony Joshua mu nyina ba enrechi ya adwo ma ba wanya adwuma da otimi ska organize a boxing match ma Anthony Joshua mu nyina ba manfo ne boje so hwehwe wonya sika no wai Akufo-Addo be ya ibintimu nya won so nyebi
after sir Okatachi FIFA be ya video we na wode ba beto abonten and a bookum boxes esu ebu etimi fuye pa Joshua Kote so kra ba abonten be ke Canadian say Abrante friend Okatachi FIFA so wan kana no ntum na wan tena ba bi otena omo beto ano ne studio ho abebo bona ma na no nyina be free moja yenkotie booking boxes omo so sense no
me move it now and obi e kan de ope
Free Fire
and now ni papa wo issue and because of politics obi e kan me for boxing be mu the boxing be mu obe nu the way e be you free no be pe because say we team ya bodam chair and I want to say we team now pe fame I fame nu ya nya atwam enti e be kire o say the fame nu tie ye boy adwi ansa na ye nya sa fame nu enti enye ye ma o sa skank kitin nu na wa betna na wakasa anyhow na wa fa we di nu Yan pesa odi beba boxing eti we dia I say warning ma we Okatachi FIFA o say Okatachi FIFA no we aye warning ma o sa uncrofo no am agi meet me mu betna wa na obi e kan de ope na ye na dream na ye o de na feel say wo ye bibi no me fa sa wo MPP ni wo NDC propaganda no me fa mba aye boxers no ye chiri sa ye mpesa enye sa ye be find out station wo no ye boxers no ya nkasa ye be ba sa so ye be ma sa ade no be na wo ye na we na ye bua ye be bu no be nu ye be bu ye duty free ye nko baby a enti ye ma wo ni wo Okatachi FIFA sa wo tie ya forget Sharaf mama semoma no na yi NDC ni MPP wo promotion no wo ye no so because enu na wo de bua ye enu na wo de bua youth no na wo de bua boxing community no enti empesa am propaganda
ye Ghanaian boxers on bookum no so ebi etudwa na chese warning kese pa na omode ema branch ya friend ye Okatachi afrifa se wan hwe na so motro no studio de na chese on free studio na se boxing no hamo de duro na mfro ne na no nyina be den ebe papa we na bookum banku so ti asem na nyane de no Okatachi just ye de bidi ye oya ye tie de bookum banku so e de bai
but Okatachi afrifa the man himself I greet you. My name is Brahma Kamoko, aka Pupo Mavu. Popularly, you know, the face of Boston. You said, why Sharaf Mama get money to do the promotion? Your father is a rich man, or you don't know. Okatachi, you said where Sharaf Mama get money to do promotions. His father is a rich man. His father is the president of Ghana. But they use their own pocket money. It not be country money. So mind your speech. Mind your speech. But one day, you go jail. Why? Okay, Africa. If you don't shut up in the country, they will tell you.
We need you Bukumbanku eba bontia ono so de betudwa efa akatachi Afrifa. Ne sense our de betudwa efa boxing bout to our president John Dramani Mahama ne ba Sharaf organize you know na after sesa videos we nyina ba bontia no e no akatachi Afrifa esantena sibio no se Bukum and boxes amo Ghana. Asana mbeka ya na enye kaseti anantokwa nemu na mpese mechiremu ema eye Ghana mpanifo tese e wo se omode saa eye contract anase promotion you know wode ma eye government institution eni kwa say individual say Sharaf aba organize na chese NDC amanyuku no omo ekọ opposition na chese obi antim organize bio e basa na akoye ankorankore but na me nsusu ye de na me ka achire eye oman ne se nkomo famma eye institution bi a mo ye well organizer ebetimi obetimi establish promotion no na atena ho forever se de be ya oman bia na se oman panifo bia ba obetimi ato aso katache Afrifa sei na ope na wachire na emom Bukum boxes agina no e de sibone na se de eye Bukum banku yada no ntino Bukum banku krantimi anka sentia na wankansim bia sabi na ano ede yekonkotie eye okatache video no
nanu ayimi agasa bi nua kan nanu ayimi agasa bi nua Bukum banku ono so abeka bi asam na richi wa hwa ono wo ka no se mre bi obeka so ofili me pa eti wo ye no wani di matem omo maka no de ayite policy ni tiri ho se bosompani no oni di matem ani ase Joshua Clotte ni ade se ni e ba hwe katache ni abo no anya de ehia ni Joshua Clotte wo obo boxing nya millions of dollars want you men fa bia ma me promote Ghana boxing na wasu ko no ma we wonana na o se wo mra me promote Ghana boxing ma
what a shame
Joshua Clotte is on TV da ade no so ye per lasting solution it wa china se president Mahama bani ni ho a obi antimi promote boxing bio ni you use state institutions na ka boxers no mo ho atomo e dey na make am monte ase dey na make am monte ase
for pound.
Ade ba no ni enka no kure okuro ni musa ade ba no dek enra na yakufu adoba ye nyina kaseti ai and ye Sharaf and I'm saying it's not even about Sharaf.
Never.
It could have been me, it could have been General, it could have been anybody.
Precisely.
So it's not about Sharaf.
Exactly.
But it is the idea here to Obama Ubia. All of a sudden, ne bush your phone ramuna, also private institutions and a sponsor. It is Talo Oil. Now what's Sadiq Adams who free this sponsor here? It is Sadiq Adams can say can you mention correct? Say na wo trokrata ko Talo Oil on Bema sponsorship for sponsor. And yen free for a second, let's pretend that your mama yes Sharaf papa. Our your president. It is Sharaf we trokrata komata loyola. I go best sponsor. So by proximity to power, he is using it for other nyama. Ya kan wasem say you wrong.
Exactly. So
Sekufado ye nya and ne your mama by ya enye
wrong.
Mosi yanke anuntu.
That's what they know.
Ghana Boxing Authority. Saudi Anthony Joshua beba ya asem ketwa. And yen nyina yenko site ho. Dani, there is a video I made sure said you see Buki Anthony Joshua make appearance. Sometimes what charge even $2 million.
Precisely. So
$2 million.
all the people.
Before so, and I'm going to buy no the president free. They go free. Imagine this cash
Appearance fee.
Appearance fee. Or charges sometimes as high as $2 million.
Exactly. So
mun use state institutions no fanye. Most mun use state institutions. Yeba me yaba lidi. Anya de papa. Anthony Joshua wonye charity organization. Oh ye event na peso oba na manfo na ni be di akira. Said oba ye manfo na ni adi akiri. Nemo mun use National Sports Authority.
Exactly.
Mun use Ghana Boxing Authority.
Oh them.
Munya nsem hunu no.
Hypocritical people.
Aja no. Sharaf so and I know Sadiq Adams who no sports in the core reporters Sharaf no we a footballer born wo Bobby way wo Bobby da bay and all of a sudden you champions and you be see your boxing coach da onu na ba be na say that be you wrong.
Exactly.
You're wrong.
Yama state institutions in championing. Sabaya watching us your mama near Bayamua. Still, and boxers and Mohammed Tomo. They can be Abuama. Moment to and I'm saying this year from winning tea. There come was a day. You're very red and yabon. And yet, you want them corner one by record the chain of a bono. Fakwaje, a title.
After Bukumbanku, any other Bukum boxes, a bar one timber to Tomajoning, a demand of Katachefi Fajon, also Eddie Babbe 2 a year Janona, Assam. Utima Katache FIFA and Kawdip media Sana Kamekan, my grandchildren, Isan said, say you sue a state institutions, Sana. Na say, the organizer, and I say the promote a year boxing, and I say Ghanaian boxing now. I think say it will last forever. Either than say, ye debema individuals, we ban or Kofanisika, nor they be promoted, the Ubenya film no call, we suba. I think said, dear, now Okatache FIFA. And all cannot make sense, but honestly, they will see address issues. You know, sometimes yes, we could do another in America. Said here, then some can sit with social media, and sometimes or can't some now a good corner amount for now. Other people no are taking in other way around, which I think say it's not fair. As some are working there, in Toasumu, because he used to state no any sports organization, you know. A policy sir nanka yede a promote boxing and think it will last forever. This is what Okatache FIFA na work once, but all the same no the akofa ba no na aba IT powers na kan was what can come and that's what Okatache FIFA say IT powers the three one say boson one beef fufuro bi so asan start but mo amoni mi so Okatache FIFA ko ya adwuma with TV SYZ na one general manager our ISR station no beef ke CBA start ever awie me de ba besom makram na station CBS